Hello everyone, we are back here for the third part of my wind tunnel project. This time we have come to some interesting results which I'm going to show you later, but for now I'm going to show you what I have now. I do have to say though that the result I have for now was highly based on a wind tunnel made from a YouTuber called Toast. So I'll leave the link in the description because, well, technically most of the work was his. I just had to change some scales, change a bit of the actual wind tunnel that he made to accommodate some changes I wanted to make, because I do have some different things. But yeah, let's get on to it. And this is the result we have for now. This is the 3D printed wind tunnel that was highly based from Toast's channel, which I'm gonna put all the links on the description. I highly recommend checking out there. I did have to change some things, but the structure is pretty much the same of his. So check out his channel, the work is pretty much all his, kind of. But I decided to make this because I wanted to compare with mine. So his is pretty much made with, this part, and this part, with the honeycomb mesh to straighten out the air. This is the part I had to change, and this part as well. I changed the angle here, and I changed the size of the interior to be able to put this further instead of putting it here like he put. I chose to put it a bit further to hopefully get better results, because my method of smoke is slightly different than his. I use this humidifier as I've been using, and I've painted all of this middle part with black to be able to see better. And yeah, so pretty much the smoke, it's water, but the smoke comes here. I'll put the car here, and then I have a 120mm fan, which I think I'm gonna buy an 80mm because this one is slightly bigger than what I wanted. You put the fan here and the air just goes here. You have the test section with a car on the inside. And yeah, this is what we have for now. My main objective is to be able to test 124 scale models. This one is made for 164 and 143rd models. But yeah, I'm gonna put the flow visualization of the cars because I have lots of those. I'm gonna put some interesting ones in the video, and I really hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. Cheers!